Best deals.
1. Spray mop. Just spray and mop. Refill with any economy size Boner Flow Cleaner refill or Boner Sustainable Concentrate packet and simplify your cleaning routine with a spray mop that allows you to dispense cleaning solution directly onto the tile surface. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Square mop with bucket. Featuring an innovative 2-in-1 dry and wet hands-free squeeze, a mop bucket adopts advanced self-squeeze technology. Simply wash the mop head and remove dust on the dry side, keeping your hands clean from dirt and chemicals, is equipped with the latest technology in comprehensive flow cleaning. The flexible head allows for easy maneuverability, easily reaching even the tightest corners of the room. This also safely cleans up all types of flooring, including tiles, vinyl, and hardwood, with ease using our reusable microfiber pads. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cotton pad. The mop's design ensures that you can maintain cleanliness without direct hand contact with dirt or cleaning agents. 360-degree movement which allows you to clean every corner easily and effectively. Versatile cleaning. After wet cleaning, the mop's materials promote quick drying, preventing water damage to your floors. Suitable for various flooring types such as hardwood, tile, laminate, and more, providing a consistent clean across your home. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Pet hair remover roller. Cleaning the dog hair remover roller is as easy as using it. Just pinch the silicone pad and give it a few shakes. Hair collects in the tray, ready to toss. No scrubbing, no sticky residue. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Carpet cleaning brush. It is made of high-quality fibers which are present in high density to make cleaning super easy and effective. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Scrub brush. Multi-surface brush tackles dirt and stains on tiles, hardwood floors, patios, and concrete, perfect for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks. 30 cm wide brush head with durable stiff bristles covers large areas quickly and effectively removes stubborn dirt and grime. Built-in squeegee edge efficiently removes excess water. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Spin bucket mop. Designed to provide efficient and hassle-free home cleaning. It's perfect for tackling dirt, dust, and spills on various surfaces, ensuring your home stays spotless. With innovative spin technology, this mop allows you to effortlessly wring out excess water, leaving the mop damp enough for effective cleaning without making a mess. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Broom. Designed with soft yet durable bristles, ensuring efficient dusting without scratching surfaces. Reach even the most inaccessible corners of your ceiling effortlessly with the telescopic rod that extends to desired lengths. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Brush. Can be wet or dry use, which can be widely used in tile floor, concrete floor, glass surface and cement floor like tub, bathroom, kitchen, shower, wall, garage and patio. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Mop. Suitable for all floor types, ideal for hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, marble, granite, and stone surfaces, perfect for versatile floor care, comes with high-quality microfiber pads that trap dust, dirt, and hair, providing lint-free, scratch-free cleaning. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Flat mop. Made of 100% PP plastic mop plate, the handle is made of stainless steel. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Sofas curtains. Has sturdy bristles that effectively pick up crumbs and dust. Handheld carpet brushes used anywhere anytime on upholstery vehicles and car mats. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Car duster. With just a few swipes, dust or pollen will be gone. And your car will be ready in minutes. Microfiber duster. A specially extended handle can reach difficult area like car roof and dashboard corners. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Mop. Twin Easy Bucket Spin Mop System keeps the clean and dirty water compartments separate. Add cleaning solution to the water through specially designed liquid dispenser and leave your floors spick and span with a tinge of fragrance. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Squeegee. Seamless fit window cleaning brush is specially designed for glass and window cleaning. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Triangle mop. The bristles are soft and dense and not damage the surface dust more thoroughly, hang when not in use without taking up space, bucket adopts a deepened design, and convex bucket mouth can better lock dust swept in, prevent slippage caused by touching the water, wire tough soft not easy to wear, not easy to leak dust, toughness, and easy deform. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Duster. Perfect car cleaning accessory for cleaning dust accumulated on seats, windshield, wiper and dashboard. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Flat mop. The hand-free mop cuts your mopping time in half. Just washing the lazy mop with wringer directly behind flowing water. Clean a large house with little time. Flat mop is 360-degree rotating head, can be used for dry and wet mopping. It's easy to use, then enjoy more happy leisure time. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Vacuum cleaner. Powerful 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner with stick which allows you to customize vacuuming as per your needs. Effective for floor, upholstery, sofas, carpet and hardwood floors. Picks. The motorized multi-floor rolling brush effectively works on hard floor or carpet to remove dry embedded dust, up all kinds of crumbs, pet hair, dust. The motorized multi-floor rolling brush effectively works on hard floor or carpet to remove dry embedded dust, pet hair or food crumbs. The V-shaped brush head and soft roller brush pick up dirt and debris from all angles, making it perfect for cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, and more. With multiple accessories, including a bendable brush for flexible cleaning, this vacuum cleaner is perfect for cleaning tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas. Plus, the 5-layer filtration system captures even the smallest particles, leaving your home clean and nice. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Feather duster. Can absorb dust like a magnet, can be bent to any degree, and the duster static absorbs dust, pollen and hairs with ease. The fluffy microfiber and the soft rubber on the top guarantees no scratches to the surface of sofa, furniture or wall during cleaning. The dust flexibly, efficient and labor-saving, make housework more easier. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Vacuum cleaner. It effectively treats all dirt, powders, liquids, hair, without wasting time. A bright LED display clearly shows cleaning status and operating mode, while helpful voice messages inform you about your device so you can get the most out of every cleaning session. The roller brush spins at 180 revolutions per minute to scrub your floors and leave them remarkably clean, while a built-in scraper brush cleans hair and dirt from the roller brush. A 900 ml clean water tank and a 500 ml waste water tank are all assets to help you clean hard floors throughout your home. Product link is given in the 21st link.